in the heart of industrial England. The city of 1,001 trades, famous for the variety of its products which are sent to the four corners of the world, Birmingham. Birmingham is also a progressive centre for culture, research and development. And the city's redevelopment schemes are among the most ambitious in the world. The University of Birmingham, founded by Sir Josiah Mason, the son of a Kidderminster carpet weaver who made a fortune out of pens and split rings, is situated in Edgbaston. It started as the Masons Science College, but became a university by royal charter in 1900. The first chancellor of the new university was Joseph Chamberlain. The first factory in a garden. The well-known Cadbury's Bourneville Works, gay with early spring flowers. And the famous and extensive BSA Works at Small Heath, founded in 1861 by master gunsmiths of Birmingham, and now covering over 1.5 million square feet. The neon signs on the ends of the building are the largest in the city, each letter being 10 feet high. Early on a grey English morning came a patrol of road scouts of the Automobile Association to hand over the sturdy machines which had given them such reliable service and to collect new outfits for patrol duty in all parts of Britain. Before the machines are handed over, they undergo a road test on the BSA private test track. This is conveniently situated around the sports field adjacent to the factory. All machines do their quota of laps round this course, including the BSA Sunbeam scooter. Each tester does a minimum of 150 laps of the track every day on different machines, each lap including the climb of the 1 in 4 test hill. In convoy, the AA patrols with their new BSA machines leave Armoury Road bound for the Warwickshire County Cricket Club's ground at Edgbaston, where a large parade and inspection is being held. It's always an important day in the patrolman's calendar when he collects his new outfit, with which he'll carry out his exacting tasks over another 100,000 miles of Britain's roads. This special parade is a big day for the AA too, and in addition to the fleet of motorcycles, they have a variety of other road service vehicles on view. The BSA machines are 600cc side valve models, of which some thousands have been in the service of the AA for many years. The minimum mileage between overhauls is 50,000, while the average mileage before replacing the machine in service exceeds 100,000. Sidecar chassis are fitted to the machines, on which are mounted beautifully styled box carriers made of reinforced glass fibre. The leg shields and fairings are also glass fibre. The service that the patrolman has to be ready to give to members on the road is very comprehensive, and he's equipped accordingly. The contents of the box carrier include a fine kit of tools, a first aid outfit, a fire extinguisher, and even a spare can of petrol. Many of the machines are equipped with two-way radio sets so that in emergency, immediate instructions can be given from the control van at headquarters. "10-4. Principal guest for the passing out parade was the Lord Mayor of Birmingham, Alderman Johnston, accompanied by the Automobile Association Chairman, Viscount Brentford, and the Secretary General, Mr. K.L. Kelly, and the Controller of Road Services, Mr. G.J. Ryan. The 1,700 motorcycle patrols regularly on the road cover nearly 30 million miles a year between them, and since 1946, some 4,000 new BSA machines have been purchased. They're used too by similar organizations overseas in Belgium, East Africa, Eire, Holland, Malaya, Norway, South Africa and Sweden, where the road services are modelled on the established pattern set by the British AA. The record for long service is held by Albert Crowell of Durham, who joined the AA in 1912 and started his road service on a bicycle. When he retired in 1955, after 43 years' service, he promptly bought a new BSA 600 side valve and sidecar, a similar machine to the one he had used for so many years, and now continues to enjoy his motorcycling with his wife. Despite the bitterly cold conditions, the patrolmen are just as cheerful and friendly as when you meet them on the road. Riding a brand new machine is always a cheerful prospect anyway. But the inspection is over at last, and the men ride off in file. Their destinations? Anywhere from Land's End to John O'Groats, from Wales to the Wash. Exeter, county town of Devon and Gateway to the west, a town steeped in the history and tradition of England and possessing one of our most beautiful cathedrals. The cathedral was founded in 1112, restored in 1877, and houses a great bell weighing 2,500 pounds and an astronomical clock. Exeter has 19 ecclesiastical districts. North of the border to Scotland, Arbroath, originally known as Aberbrothock because it stands at the mouth of the River Brothock in Forfarshire, about 17 miles north of Dundee. It is a coast guard and lifeboat station having a warning signal of 1 red, 1 white and 2 green lights plus a fog gong. The abbey, founded in 1178, is in ruins. Across the sea to Northern Ireland and its capital city, Belfast, a manufacturing and seaport town. The Parliament building at Stormont, the seat of the government, built after partition in 1922, is in the background. Belfast is the centre of the famous Irish linen industry. Wherever there are motorists and motorcyclists in Britain, there you will find your AA friend with his BSA on patrol.